Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an iCloud backup. Right, so first up, go to find the settings app on your phone, tap on it, wait for it to open, and once it's opened, go ahead and tap on your iCloud. Go ahead over to the iCloud section, tap on it, and then after that, go ahead and tap on iCloud backup. Okay, so just tap on it, wait for the section right here to load, and then you'll be able to see all of the devices connected to your Apple account. So just gotta select one, for example, this phone or your current phone, and then wait for the apps right here to load. Now, once that's done, you can basically disable some applications right here. For example, your photo library, if you want to, okay? You can just disable it and it won't auto backup again. But if you want to delete all iCloud backup, just gotta tap on, turn off, and delete from iCloud. Now, I'm not going to do it because I basically need everything right here. But what to expect, you may ask. Okay, so when you go ahead and tap on this option at the very bottom and then hit on confirm, your iCloud storage will update instantly. Okay, that means your iCloud backup will be cleared. You cannot restore that device from iCloud if it breaks or gets lost. But backups for your other device or Apple devices remain completely untouched. No photos, messages, or apps are deleted from your physical phone, and the automatic iCloud backups for that specific device will disable. That is how you'll delete iCloud backup. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.